SSD, USB hub, traces of coffee. And I pulled this thing and it all came down, this drawer. The whole thing came down and coffee was here. It fell here. I was lucky I had some toilet paper to soak everything, but look, there's still pieces of coffee. I cleaned it as good as I could, but there's even coffee on top. Here there was coffee. Coffee went inside this. But there is one drop here. Only one drop went to the keyboard. Really thankful for that. This was soaked. It was here. So tried to remove it, but I took everything out and wiped them with the towel. I wiped them with the towel. Yeah, at least this is okay. The camera is okay. This SSD, I want to open it to check to make sure it's fine. If there is any water inside, I will use isopropyl alcohol to clean it, to make sure I don't ruin it because it could rust inside. And also this USB hub, I will take it apart. If you buy some drawers for your stuff, pocket knives and everything. Oh, I had to even wipe the Swiss Army knife. This thing was soaked. It looks okay. So I will open this to make videos about it, so you can see it. Also, maybe I will open this because this was also soaked, but actually looks okay. It was only outside, and I don't know about the USB port. I think it's okay. I think it was only. I didn't even realize where the coffee went. The full cup of coffee, I didn't even drink it, was here. It fell here. And then I was trying to find where it went. And it was in the drawer. Really funny thing. You can tell here, because it's this, the wood will start to inflate now. And pieces of coffee, I don't really care so much. It smells nice though. It smells like coffee. It's really funny. I did clean it as good as I could. But the lenses here, they were fine. This area was the camera and the lenses. I was lucky the recorder was plugged into the computer, so nothing there. A bit went on this thing, but it might spill some coffee. Also, the DaVinci Resolve license was soaked. Look, coffee grounds. Yeah, I keep the things in boxes anyway. It's good to keep them. Whatever was in the boxes, they were fine. It's better to keep inside the drawer, in boxes, containers. So if spillage occurs, you will not have a headache. I had to clean up everything here. And now I'll open these two to make sure there is no liquids. There's even coffee grounds on the microphone. On the microphone. Yeah, this is the Swiss Army knife coffee edition. Let's see if we find some coffee grounds on it. I wiped it pretty well, I think. There will be some inside there. Oh, it's already a bit. It's a bit slow. Oh, look, there's more juices. Yeah, here, everywhere. This thing is so annoying. Always gets in the way. And I think it's okay, this one.